Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Chloe. I hope you are doing all good. In today's video, I'm going to share Estée Lauder's 2024 holiday blockbuster. So if you are interested in this kind of video, please keep watching. So this is Estée Lauder's every year's holiday set. They launched every year different product with a different beauty pouches inside. So this is the set, and as you can see, came with a paper box like this. It has Estée Lauder's logo. And from the package, you'll be able to see what's inside. So I'm gonna show you actual items. So this is the pouch came with. It's a beautiful red color, and the material is kind of a fabric. It's very soft and velvet type of material. And it features gold hardware, as you can see. It is a beautiful beauty case, and I'm gonna show you what's inside. So it has two different separate compartments. So I'm gonna show you the bottom part first. And then opening is like this. And as you can see, it has total 5 skincare products inside. So I'm going to show you each items. Okay, this is the first item from the skincare set. It's a Estée Lauder Advanced Night Cleansing Gel in this brown tube type of bottle. And it's a 75 milliliter, which is pretty good size. This full size is 100 milliliter, so I think this is not the full size, but still good size. Let me open the product. And opening is like that. It's a clear type of cleansing gel. Let me show you the formula. Looks like this. Basically, you can just gently massage on your skin and then wash them out. I think you can use this on in the morning and nighttime. Such a good product. And second item is here. This is the eye cream, Advanced Night Repair Eye Cream, one of their steady seller. I like this brown bottle with a very rich formula. And this is the full size, 15 milliliter. Love this skincare so much. And opening is like this, and there is Estée Lauder logo, and the formula looks like this. It's a very rich eye cream, and I like this one. I have been using this one for a long time. It doesn't feel very heavy though. You can just simply massage onto your eye area. It's not sticky at all. It's very smooth and moisturizing. Love this product. And next item is here. This is the Advanced Night Repair Serum. This is a very nice product from the Estée Lauder, one of their best seller. We just called it brown bottle, as you guys probably know. I love this product so much. It's a 30 milliliter, such a good size. It's a full size, and then their applicator, it looks like this. And let me open the bottle. And you can simply drop onto your skin. Very hydrating, very nice feeling. This is the reason why I keep buying this set, this holiday Blockbuster set, because of this product is always included. And I think it's such a good value. It's so worth to buy it. And next item is this full-size skincare product. This is Estée Lauder, one of their moisturizer. It's a cream in this gold bottle. I like this product. They have a couple different type of face cream, but this is my favorite. And let's check the inside. Looks like this. I've been using this cream for a long time and I still love it. I can use this one in the morning and nighttime. It's a 30 milliliter. It's such a good size. They have a bigger size, but if you haven't tried this one, it's a good size to try first. And then if you like it, you can buy bigger bottle. And the last item is this hand cream. I haven't used their hand cream yet, so this is a good option to have and I can give it a try. It's a 30 milliliter. It looks like a very small size, smaller than 30 milliliter. Let me open the bottle. And let's check the formula. It's a tube type of the bottle and looks like this. It's very light hand cream. It's not sticky. Doesn't have any smell. I don't think it's a full size, but it's a pretty good size to be tried. And let's take a look at this first compartment, what's in it. As you guys can see, there is some tissue paper wrapping around, and these are the makeup product. So let's take a look each items in detail. There are 2 different lipsticks included in this set. They are in this beautiful gold package. I'm gonna open each item. And both are the limited edition lipstick, Strictly Confidential and Red Velvet. That's the color name. And let me open each color. Let's see this one first. Looks like this. There is beautiful patterns in it. As you can see, the beautiful red color. We will see the color swatch on my skin. Oh, it's more brighter than I think when I actually apply on my skin. It's so beautiful color for the holiday season. And let's check this color together. And this is the color. It has same pattern. Looks like this, and it looks like a very toned down pink shade. Let's check the color swatch. Okay, this is the color. It's a beautiful pink. I think this would be good as a daily makeup. And there is two different lip gloss, and color name is right here. So I'm gonna open each shade. First one looks like this, and the applicator is here. This is so pretty pink shade. And here is the color swatch for you. Beautiful strawberry milk kind of color. And this is the other color. Let's check together. Same applicator. It's kind of a brush type of applicator. And oh, it's so pretty. It's a pretty champagne pink. And definitely it has some shimmer on it. It's going to be so pretty if you apply this lip gloss on top of your lipstick. Okay, here is another shot under the natural light. And next item is here. This is the mascara. It's an Estée Lauder Extreme Black Mascara. Looks like this. This is the full size. So you guys can see how valuable this set considering the price wise. So let me open this mascara and we'll show you the applicator if you haven't seen them. Looks like this. It's a true black color. Love this product. I can use this one every day. And this is the last item from this holiday Blockbuster 2024. It's an eyeshadow palette in this beautiful print, red and gold. And the back side has the color name. And this is also limited edition eyeshadow palette. So let me open the palette. And there is a big mirror on the top. So pretty natural tone. Let me get closer and we'll show you each color. There we go. Hopefully you guys can see better color shade. They are looking good as an everyday eyeshadow, but I don't think it's something special for the holiday season. It's pretty neutral, brown and beige color theme. So I'm gonna show you the color swatch on my skin. Here is the color swatch. Hopefully you guys can see. As I mentioned, it's pretty neutral. It's good for every day. It's nothing really special, nothing very unique color. I think it's a kind of beige brown, and except for two shade, it's all matte shade. Just two color has a little bit of glitters on it. Okay, here is another shot under the natural sunlight. I think I can use them every day. And I'm going to show you how I clean this eyeshadow using this cleansing gel. Here is the eyeshadow, and let me just apply some cleansing gel onto my skin. And then let's massage to it. Can you guys see? It cleaned very well. This is for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. As I mentioned, this is such a good gift set. It's a limited quantity, so if you'd like to get it, just go for check them out. Such a good value. I love this all 9 full size product plus 2 deluxe travel size product. If you are the fan of Estée Lauder skincare product, this is must have. And if you haven't tried their product yet, this is a good chance to try their product out, included their bestseller and some of their makeup. I highly recommend this holiday set for yourself or your friends or family members. If you have a question, please let me know. I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday season, and I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone.